Hello guys, this is the Math Master, and today, as you know, we have the topic multiplication, addition, subtraction, and division of standard forms. Now, this is a very basic topic, and you don't need to do much but just follow the rules. So, let's start with number 1. The question is 5.1 into 10 to the power of minus 7 multiplied by 2.76 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Alright, so first of all, we're gonna multiply this number 5.1 with 2.76, while these numbers will be added, which will give us the numbers minus 7 and minus 3 right here. So what we get the answer, you can do it by the calculator or by the multiplication method as well, and you get the answer 1.4076 multiplied by 10 to the power of minus 10. Alright, now this is because minus 7 minus 3 is minus 10, so this is your answer. Moving on, the next question is 3 multiplied by 10 to the power of minus 4 over 9 to the 9 multiplied by 10 to the power of minus 8. Now these 3 and this 9 can be cancelled without doing anything. You can cancel, like 3 ones are 3 and 3 threes are 9. So what remains is you can write like 1 into 10 to the power of minus 4 over 3 into 10 to the power of minus 8. Now to make this 1 upon x, you have to do something, which is shift the power to the downward, because that will give you the most, like 1 upon 3 multiplied by 10 to the power of minus 8 minus 4 minus 4, which will give you plus 4. Hence 1 upon 3 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 8 plus 4, which will give you minus 4, would be your answer. Very easy, right? So let's get back to the business again, and let's do more questions. Erase this to give a better understanding. Alright, so we have this question right here, which is 6 into 10 to the power of 5 minus 3.1 multiplied by 10 to the power of 7. Now to do this question, you have to keep in mind one thing. To minus 6 and 3.1, you have to make the same, the powers of 10. Like if there's 10 power 5, there should be 10 power 5 over here, and if you want to make it 10 power 7, you can make it 10 power 7. The main thing is the power should be same, no matter you make it higher or lower. Alright, so this was 10 power 5, right? So we can, to make it 10 power 7, we have to increase the zeros, and to make it 10 power 5, we have to decrease the zeros. So we can write 6 into 10 to the power of 5. Now how can we decrease this? We can write over here like this, and we can take the minus sign over here, and to decrease the zeros we can write 3 1. It was 0 0 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. The decimal was right here previously. Now to make it 5, we got 1 2 right here, so we can make it 3.1, or maybe into 10 to the power of 5. That's quite right. Alright, so we can shift the decimal over here, and we can easily write like that. So moving on, we can write minus 3 0 4 0 0 0 0. How many zeros will we take? Yes, right, 5, which will give us the answer minus 3.04 into 10 to the power of 7. We have shifted this 5 not this as we did previously. That was wrong. This is the right one, which is your answer. Now moving on to the next question, which is a little bit of confusing, but you will get it. We have to play with variables. P equals 7.5 into 10 cubed and Q equals 5.25 into 10 to the power of 4. Now we got these two values. Now we have to find out Q minus P. Now how to find out Q minus P? Let's erase this question. We have been through this. Alright, let me just write it down again real quick. Now Q minus P should be a piece of cake for you because you've done this question last time as well. 5.25 into 10 to the power of 4 minus 7.5 into 10 cube. That's right. Now we have to make it 10 cube. This 10 right here should be made 10 cube in order to minus them. So we can easily write down like this, 5.25. Now if we place the decimal right here, shift the decimal right here, it would give us multiply by 10 cube. Very easy. So 52.5 into 10 cube minus 7.5 into 10 cube. 52.5 minus 7.5. 10 cube is 1, not 2, because as I told you before, it comes as 1 common. Now you can do it by the calculator method or whatever. The answer comes is 45 into 10 cube. Now you have to make it in decimal or in a standard form. You can place the decimal over here, 4.5, and it will give you 10 to the power of 4, because once the decimal was over here, it shifted to the back side, so 1 0 increased, which is why it became 1 more. Because if we shift the decimal over here, 1 0 would have been decreased and 3 would have gone to 2. To do this, we did 2 right here. As you can see, I closed it up for you, and now the answer is would become 4.5 into 10 to the power of 4. Thank you for watching, and make sure you practice standard form a lot, and it's not that hard of a subject or a topic, and you can do it easily. Thank you for